Hey everyone, this is unboxing of the brand new Omega Seamaster 300M with green dial. So I already have the blue one. This is with bracelet. The one which I got here is without bracelet. So yeah, it comes with a rubber strap instead. Alright, so let's pry this open. So this is the, sorry, oh my god, something fell down. Anyway, this is the new Omega boxing. So I have the old Seamaster, not the old, it's still the current generation, but there are few things in this box that were not there in the previous Gen 3 Master. Right, so first of all, what you see here is similar size box, but it is now matte. It used to be shiny, glossy. This is now matte. I'm not taking this off. Here you have the booklet, and you get the booklet here. Okay, which you will probably never read to. Probably never need to read. And then we have this, your warranty cards and all that stuff, the usual stuff. And you press this and you're greeted with the watch. Much more luxurious feeling than the Rolex, which has no leather whatsoever. This is leather. Here's the watch. Looks very nice. This is the green one, and pictures and videos don't do justice. It's dark green and looks fantastic. I always thought the green one would look better on the strap, so want the one on the strap. And yeah, another new thing is it comes with this pouch. Now it's a traveling pouch. Can use, there you go. You can use this pouch when traveling. Very nice touch by Omega. Rolex should think about these things. I mean, these little things make consumer very happy. And this is the new box. All right, and that's all about it. This is the watch, green one and the blue one. Which one do you like more? Personally, I still like the blue one more. It's just suits the Seamaster wood better. This green one, I have heard that they're going to discontinue it next year, and if they do, the prices will skyrocket, but that's not the chief reason I bought it. Here's the watch. Alright, so I'm going to take the sticker off from the back. I'll be taking it off now, and yeah, here's the dial. Beautiful dial. Really a very good watch. Yeah, compared to the bracelet one, it feels so much more lighter. So yeah, perfect for the summers, I think. Yeah, so that's all about it. Hope you like this video, and stay tuned for this review, which will be coming up next week.